Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, we are going to be editing and modifying our workspace to suit our individual needs. Let's start by creating a new project or a new file. You can go ahead with the default template in which we have been using for a while. First of all, let's talk about other workspaces here in Photoshop. In Photoshop, it is not just only the essential workspace we have. We have other workspaces such as the 3D workspace, graphic and web workspace, motion workspace, and so on. In the 3D workspace, the 2D workspace enables us to work on 3D projects here in Photoshop. You can see after clicking the 3D workspace, things change. Some panel got added while some panel got removed. And also, when we choose the graphic and web workspace, you can see that things also change. Some panel got added while some panel got removed. These workspaces have been designed based on different things we want to achieve. And while designing, we can make our choice on the particular template we want to use while designing here in Photoshop. And we can also choose the motion workspace, which enables us to edit videos here in Photoshop. And we are going to be talking about that in our advanced class. And we can also choose our painting workspace, which gives us access to our brushes, our pens, and so on and so forth. Our workspace changes based on the template we have chosen. Now, let's go back to the essential workspace. If we want to add, remove, or change the direction of anything here, we can achieve that. Let's start by removing the library panel. So then we're going to click and drag out. And you can see we have removed it. Let's increase our canvas size to 100. And also, when I click on the library panel, I can drag it to whatever direction I want. And I can also dock it in somewhere else. And I can also drag it out and close it. And it basically works for everything. You can customize everything here. And after you customize, you can save your new look. That is your new workspace. So for the toolbar, you just have to come here, click and drag it out, and move it to whatever direction you want to. And you can also dock it to wherever you want. We can also change the position of our properties bar. Click here and drag it out. And you can move it around, and we can also place it here. And then this is the history panel. Um, I want to put it here and dock it here. And then let's take the color panel and dock it here. It does not look so good here. Let's add character panel to our workspace. Here is character panel. We can click here to close and click here to open our character panel. Then let's dock it here. This is our character panel. We could also change the position of our character panel by dragging it out and docking it here. Then you can see we have been able to change the position of our character panel. And we can also change the position of our color panel here because I believe it's not looking so good here. We can drag it out and dock it here. It's far better over here. So basically, I have been able to edit and modify my workspace. Now, when I come to window, and hover on Workspace and click on New Workspace. Then I can be able to name this workspace with the particular task I want to achieve with it. Let's just name it as best and then click on save. So when we come to our workspace, we will be able to see our new workspace over here. Look at it, best. So that is basically it about editing our workspace.